cross contour line is a line that represents a form. Really what it is, it's the movement of your eye across a form. So just like a line is the path of a moving point, the cross contour line is the path of that moving point across a form. So I'm going to draw a cross contour line drawing of my hand. And what I'm going to think about is a point starting in one place on the page, and as it runs across the page, it's going to hit my hand, it's going to go up and over, and then it's going to keep going. And there's my thumb, it'll go up and over and keep going. So it's going to show the form of my hand. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an outline of my hand. If you hold your pencil straight up and down, you'll get a good, clean, clear outline. I'm going to put it right up next to your hand there, down your wrist. Okay. So now there's a nice clear outline of the hand. And then I'm going to take the line, I'm going to come across the page, I'm going to hit the line, and it's going to go up and over and down. So it'll look like this. Hits the edge, goes up, over, down, and across. There's another line, comes, hits the edge, goes up, over, down, and across. Hits the edge, up, over, down, and across. So it's really showing what the hand looks like in its form. Now you could put your lines closer together. If you put them closer together, you're going to show more information about the form. So now this one is a little tricky. It goes down a little bit around the thumb and over. Up, over the hand. Now this is going to come down in here and up around the thumb and over. I'm going to start to put the lines closer together so you can see what it would look like if your lines are closer together. Now this line is going to, actually this one's going to kind of sneak over across this way. It goes down, across, up and over. Around the thumb. Again. Now if you decide as you're going that you would like your lines to be closer together, you can add a line in between. So let's say down here I can add into that another one right in between there if I feel like I want more information happening. Okay, then if I come back up here, my lines are going up and over the fingers. It's flat across the bottom, over the fingers, flat, over the fingers, flat, over the fingers. Okay, again, up over the finger, flat on the table, over the finger, flat on the table, over the finger, flat on the table. Okay, and then we'll keep going. Sometimes some of your lines will overlap in a way, like right in here, because the fingers are pretty tall, just like the wrist was pretty tall. It's your choice. Whoops. It's your choice how close you want your lines to be. If you feel like this distance is good for you, that's fine. I wouldn't do any wider than these lines that I'm drawing right now. But if you want them to be closer together, you could do that. So let's do a couple here in the end that are closer together. They're going to overlap a little bit, like this, as they come into that finger area. Left and over, left and over. Now this line here just goes a little bit on the tip of the finger, comes up to there, up to there. This one goes straight across. That one goes straight across. And now you have a cross contour line drawing of your hand.